When you ask God or the Creator for something, for example, a house, your mind immediately starts to list what is needed for that house to be yours. The price, your monthly income, incoming and outgoing expenses, calculations. The result? Impossible, you can't get that house. But God says, wrong. To get that house, it's enough for me to introduce you to just one person. I don't think as complicated as you do. I say be, and it is. It only takes time for what has happened to enter your life. This is the flow of life. If you have a wish, ask it from God, your Creator. There is nothing you can ask for that He cannot give you, but ask with great seriousness. Because with every wish, you are entering His presence. You've stated your wish in His presence, it's done. Do not burden it with a negative thought afterward. Let it stay there. Do not lose your seriousness, so you don't forget from whom you asked. Health, peace, and happiness are your rights to live. Do not disappoint your soul and make your body ill.